I believe snakes are the best animal in the zoo. Firstly, because they are really scary. They have sharp fangs. Secondly, they are really slimy to touch. Thirdly, because some snakes are poisonous, but if you visit them in the zoo, they are safe because they are behind glass. This is why I think snakes are the best animal in the zoo.
I read persuasive text on the topic. Kids should only be allowed to eat healthy food. Why do kids need candy? I strongly believe that kids should be eating healthy foods and treats. Firstly, kids have to eat healthy foods and treats. Kids need sugar inside their body for energy. Secondly, kids can eat candy too, because if it was Halloween, it would be so boring. Kids would just eat healthy food. Thirdly, if it was a birthday party, no one would come and the cake would be yuck. No one would want to eat it. As you have read, I strongly believe that kids should eat healthy food as well as treats.
This term for topic for grade 1 and 2 has been learning about habitats. We have written information report on this animal and its habitat, and we have also been on an excursion to the Melbourne Zoo.
Today we wanted you will perform the concert dance for you. I like to move it. From the movie Madagascar. Madagascar is the world's fourth largest island. Mountains run down the middle of the island, a bit like your spine in your back. Each side of the island is different. The west is made up, mostly the dry forest and the desert, while the east is mostly tropical forests and water.
Please enjoy our performance. I like to move.
could we please have Mr. Walker to present the student award?